In example 3, we're asked to do something a little bit different. So we have J, K, and L. It says K is the midpoint of JL. So we don't even need a coordinate plane here to draw kind of a diagram of what's going on, because we're just going to use that same idea, the same formula that we used in previous problems. So we're asked to find the coordinates of J. We don't know what J is, but we do know that K is -1, 2, and L is 3, -5. So we don't know what these coordinates are. Sorry about that. We don't know what these coordinates are, but we do know that these coordinates are halfway in between. So if you take a look at the x values that we have -1 and we have 3. And we know that -1 is halfway in between J and L. So if I go from 3 to -1, this distance that I've traveled here is -4. I've gone to the left 4. If I do that again, I would then find that I would be at -5, and that would be the x-coordinate of J. Remember, the midpoint is halfway in between. So if I go to the left 4 to get to -1, at the midpoint, I would have to go left 4 again, and I would get to -5, and that would be my other endpoint. Do the same thing for y's now. We're going to go in the other direction this time because we have 2 and -5. So to go from here to here, I had to add 7. So if I add 7 to get to the midpoint, I would add 7 to get to the other endpoint, or to get to the other endpoint as well, which means that my y value would be 9. So point J would be -5, 9. Now, if you check your work here and say cover this part up, you would see that halfway in between -5 and 3 is -1, and halfway between 9 and -5 is 2.